morning once again. Today this video is going to be my fifth video on the chapter quadratic equations. In the last video already we have solved a few problems on the basis of factorizations. I hope all of you have got some ideas about it. Today in this video we are going to learn the next and very important method, namely as completing squaring method. Students generally think that among all the methods, completing squaring method is very laborious, very hectic. That's why they try to avoid it. They try to neglect it. But the thing is that, the reality is that among all the methods, it comes in the CBSE board exam very frequently. So we cannot avoid it by no means. We have to understand it. We have to attempt it by any means. Now let us understand what is the meaning of completing squaring method and how to tackle it. Suppose a quadratic equation is given to us. In this case, we have to express the quadratic polynomial which is kept in the left hand side in terms of a perfect square. That means we have to express this quadratic polynomial either in the form of a plus b whole square or in the form of a minus b whole square. That is our main job to be done in this method. After that, the roots can be found very easily. I hope it will be clearly understood if you work out one or two examples. Correct? In this case, the question may be asked in this way: find the roots of the quadratic equations 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equals 0 by completing squaring method. The question may be given in this way. First, let us rewrite the question. 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equals 0. Now look at the left hand side. What is that? 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equals 0. Before starting the process, please keep in mind, always for this process, the coefficient of x square has to be 1. But here the coefficient is 2. So you need to remove it. Again I am saying it is very important. Before starting the process, the coefficient of x square has to be 1. Here it is what? 2. So you need to remove them. How to remove it? It can be removed if we divide by 2 by both sides. If we divide by 2 on the both sides, then 2 will be removed. If it is 5, then you have to divide by 5. If it is 4, you have to divide by 4. So always, before starting the process, the coefficient of x square has to be 1. So for this purpose, let us dividing by 2 on both sides to bring one coefficient. Correct? Now it becomes x square. Now 2 has gone. 5 by 2x plus 3 by 2. 0 by 2 means 0 will happen on the right hand side. Correct? Now finally we got in the left hand side x square minus 5 by 2x plus 3 by 2 equals 0. Here in the left hand side we have to bring a perfect square. That means either we have to bring a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square form. Now look at the sign here. It is the minus. So it is clear, it is confirmed here. We have to bring a minus b whole square formula in the left hand side. If it is plus, so you have to bring a plus b whole square formula. So according to sign, you have to bring a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Understood? Now here it is minus, so you have to create by any means a square minus 2ab plus b square in the left hand side. That is our ultimate motto. Now this x square can be written as x whole square. Now it will be working as a square minus, let us bring 2 forcibly, but there is no 2, we have to balance. At the same time put 1 by 2. Now put x as it is and 5 by 2 as it is. Understood? Plus 3 by 2 right as it is equal to 0. Now here this x square will be working as a square, means x whole square minus 2 Now multiply 1 by 2 and 5 by 2 becomes 5 by 4 and write x as it is. Plus 3 by 2, 0. Plus 3 by 2 as it is equal to 0. Now s whole square, it will be working as a square minus 2ab. Here 5 by 4 will be working as a b. Again I am saying a square minus 2 into x. This 5 by 4 will be working as a b. So to bring the formula of a minus b whole square, you have to bring b square forcibly. So you have to bring 5 by 4 whole square forcibly. But in the previous step, there is no 5 by 4 whole square. So at the same time, we need to balance. So put minus 5 by 4 whole square to balance. Now write down 3 by 2 as it is. Correct? Equal to 0. Now it becomes a square minus 2ab plus b square. Correct? Now it becomes a means x minus b means 5 by 4 whole square minus 5 by 4 whole square as it is plus 3 by 2 equal to 0 as it is. Now ultimately we have got a perfect square, a minus b whole square. So my job is finished by 80%. That was our target. Okay. So you have brought a minus b whole square. X minus 5 by 4 whole square. Now let us take all the remaining elements on the right hand side. It becomes 5 by 4 whole square minus 3 by 2. 5 by 4 whole square means 25 by 16 minus 3 by 2. You have to do minus on the right hand side. Now it becomes x minus 5 by 4 whole square equal to, let us do LCM to the purpose of minus. 16 will be LCM, 25, 16 by 2, 8. This 8 will be multiplied with 3. 24. We know how to do minus of fractions. So ultimately we got x minus 5 by 4 whole square equal to 1 by 16. Correct? Now here we got only x minus 5 by 4 will be equal to square root of 1 by 16. So plus minus 1 by 4 will come because 16 is a perfect square. The square root of 1 is 1 and the square root of 16 is 4. So it will be 1 by 4. Why plus minus is coming? Because you know when you open the square root, always plus minus both will come. Here we have to consider plus minus both because we are dealing with quadratic equations. So obviously we shall have two roots. We are looking for two roots. That's why we have to bring plus minus both. Understood or not? That is the main reason to bring plus or minus. First taking plus. So you can say x minus 5 by 4 will be equal to plus 1 by 4. Correct? Now from here only find x. Now let us bring this one on the right hand side. 5 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Do adding. 4 is the LCM. We know how to add of fractions. 6 by 4. Now cancel by 2. It becomes 3 by 2. So here we got x equal to 3 by 2. So here we got x equal to 3 by 2. So by taking plus, we got one root. Correct? That is x equal to 3 by 2. Similarly, taking minus, then it will be equal to x minus 5 by 4 will be equal to minus 1 by 4. Correct? Considering minus. Now let us bring this term on the right hand side. It becomes 5 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Similarly, doing minus of fractions, 4 will be the LCM. 5 minus 1, 4 by 4. Right? It will be 1 by cancelling. So ultimately we got x equal to 1. So in the previous step we got x equal to 3 by 2 by taking plus. Here we got x equal to 1 by taking minus. Okay, so in this way we are getting two roots. In this way we are getting the two roots of the given quadratic equations by following completing squaring method. So it is very important to understand. Here I have shown all the possible steps. That's why it is seeming, it is looking too bigger, but actually it is not bigger. I have shown all the steps here, all the possible steps. I hope it will be understood properly if you practice 2 or 3 times. Again I am telling you, don't scare of it. Don't scare of this method. It comes in the board exam in the frequent way. So please don't avoid it. Now I am giving a homework to be done on the basis of completing squaring method. Find the roots of 5x square minus 6x minus 2 equals 0 by using completing squaring method. This question will be as a homework on the basis of completing squaring method. Similarly, you have to proceed, and obviously you can follow the previous example that we have done now. Today I stop here. In the next video we shall be meeting with a new topic. So for these days, please be safe, be healthy, and obviously stay home. Thank you very much.